Hi kids, welcome to EA Spoken English. I am Imran Ali Rai. Today we are going to learn have a wonderful day about the fruits. These are the fruits we're going to learn. Are you excited? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes, let's go. What we like to eat? That one is apple. That is also apple. What is the difference? The difference is of the color. This one is red apple and that one is green. We might say red apple, green apple. Now tell me your favorite. My favorite, red apple. No, my green. The green one is good for me. Green apple. That thing is banana. We might say it's yellow banana. Banana. What? Banana. Come again. Banana. Banana. Perfect. That is a stall of the strawberry, but we might say it's cherry. That is cherry. There is difference, and there is different stall of the cherry. This is apricot. What? Apricot. Wow. Wonderful to eat, delicious to eat one. In the summer season we should say watermelon. Watermelon. Look at that girl is eating and feeling happy and amusing the taste of this watermelon after cut off the slices. Watermelon. It's also summer. This one is also in the summer. It's orange. Look at the guy, how much excited is he? Yellow melon. It's named by its color, yellow. Yellow melon. What? Yellow melon. It's guava. Now listen, I said it's guava. Guava. What? Guava? Okay, thank you my friend. It's guava. This one we might call mango, that we always love to eat in the summer. Mango. What? Mango. Pear. Wow. Mango and pear. Nice one. This is pear. Grapes, always to be seen in your home. Lovely to eat. A bit sour, a bit sweet, delicious. What? Grapes. Red grapes by color. This one is pomegranate. Sorry, pomegranate. Come again. Pomegranate. 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 Okay, my friend. That's good. Thank you for telling me it's pomegranate. What's that? It's none other than, but it is pomegranate. Perfect. Good. That is a set of the fruits. What do we call it? It's stall of the fruit. Okay, name this number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. If you don't know about that, just contact your parents. If you know it, just tell me in the comments. Its name is grapes. Thank you. Great. It's grapes. You are great. And what is that? It's grapes. Thank you. What we call it? We should say banana. 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 Yellow banana. I love to eat orange, banana, and strawberry, cherry, and red apple. Looks good to eat. Thank you. I just want to introduce to you about this guy. This guy is very sharp, very cunning. You know, he always stays home. He loves to stay home. Why? Why? Ask me why. Del, why? Because for the fruits, he can always stay home. He loves fruits. If you give him fruits, you serve him, you put fruits near him, whatever you're doing, wherever you're going, he will not cry. He will say, okay, fine, mom and dad, you might go anywhere. I will love to be with the fruits. I like to play with them. Because he loves it. What? Fruits. Look at that girl. Her father daily brings her to the fruit stalls. She loves to visit that. She loves to see the factory, the shop, and the stall of the fruits. She's taken a picture over there because she loves to be there near the fruit stalls to shop some fruits for health. Why? Because she loves it. Why she loves it? Because it's healthful. Look at these two twins. They are much possessive. They having shares of their fruits. They won't let anyone touch the fruits. They are not shopkeepers, but they love the fruits. See how crazy she is. She gonna take selfie with the fruits. Look at this one. Cute. Nice. And this girl is having a selfie with what? Fruits. Why? Because she loves it. Now, these are the winter fruits. Do not forget to ask your parents to bring fruits for you. There's the strawberry, red apple, orange, and grapes. What about summer? Do not forget to buy that one and just check and taste. Oh my goodness, that one is perfect. You will love to eat. What? Watermelon, mango, cherry, and the last thing is that pear. It's for the summer. Okay, just check if this one is summer. Just then ask. Do not insist on the things that have gone in. They are not in the season. Okay. Now, be quiet and answer this question. The first question is that what is your favorite fruit? How old are you? What's your class level? How can we call you? What do you want to become? Answer this question under the comments and ask your parents to if they like you to subscribe this channel. Yes or no? Bye bye.